It's Ryan with A2L Mechanical. We are heading out to put a blower motor in a 130,000 BTU furnace. We diagnosed that the blower motor was bad and that it needed to be replaced. The customer said that, you know, one of his friends worked at a supply warehouse and he would go ahead and get the motor and get it sent to him, and when he had it, he would give me a call, let me know that it needed to be put in. So I'm gonna end up doing supposedly too, the motor was just replaced, but it was seized up tighter in Fort Knox, and then also the filter was replaced recently too, but that looked like a dead cat got in there. It was just flat. I mean, it was black as black, which probably in turn wrecked the motor. But the house was built in 1927 is what he said. I mean, that's a super old house. And so I'm gonna end up doing a combustion analysis while I'm out there. That's just our A2L's policy. Anytime working on equipment, we want to make sure that we leave it safe and that it's working in the correct way so nobody gets carbon monoxide poisoning and everything's safe. So stay with me as I head on out on this call to get this replaced, and yeah, it should be a fun one. We'll give her one little. That came in from the top. Forgot how So just give me a second. I always do this. Actually, we can probably go right here. Let's go here. I ordered this bag because I like the side compartments, but now I need a little bit. Order a little bit bigger, yeah. It's like, man, it'd be nice to have. I had a great big bag, and I said, man, it'd be nice to go a little smaller. And now I'm like, oh, I wish I could get a little medium size there. Luke is the guy I know. He said, yeah, the first time I ever, you know, I got into all this stuff. He says, I had a toolbox, a metal toolbox. I said, a metal toolbox? Oh, yeah, I had everything in the world. He said, I drug that thing down in a basement. And after that, never again. Yeah, as he said. So we're going to come back here. Propane. And atmospheric. Alright, let's fire it over. Yeah, they didn't. So that spring is probably not a propane spring, because on here, you kind of want this in anywhere from 9 to 6. And then now with the blower on, as long as this doesn't move up, means your heat exchanger is good. But that just needs a longer spring in it to be able to adjust it, because you would want to give it more gas fuel to bring the oxygen level down. That's how it operates.